Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we're making your favorite rice pudding, and we're gonna make that in a pressure cooker because making rice pudding in a pressure cooker is so easy, and it's so good and it's so creamy. Now, before we continue, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rehydrate some raisins by pouring some bourbon over them. That's for the grown-ups. You could also use hot water. All right, and now I'm going to get on my rice. I've got some rinsed long grain rice. I am also going to add in some water over that long grain rice, and I'm going to pour in some 2% milk. It actually doesn't matter what kind of milk you have, just use some milk. And then we're going to add in some whole cinnamon sticks as well as a good splash of vanilla extract. And I'm also going to add in a pinch of salt. I know that looks like a lot of salt, but really it's just a pinch. I just took a large pinch. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stir that so it doesn't stick to the bottom of our pressure cooker. And we're gonna cover that, and we're gonna cook that on high pressure for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna make it naturally release. Don't forget to make sure the valve is set to seal. All right, so I'm back, and it's been about 20 minutes since our machine started to naturally release. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that we have released all of the pressure from this pressure cooker. And we see there's still a little bit in there. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and open the lid because all my pressure has been released. And wow, what is that? It's our rice pudding. Don't worry, we are going to fix it up. So go ahead and take out those whole cinnamon sticks. And I'm going to use my spoon to make sure I get each one out. And then we're going to go ahead and start to stir. I know it looks liquidy, but it is going to thicken up, so do not stress. I'm also going to sweeten this rice pudding with some condensed milk. I like to use this more than I like to use sugar. I think it adds a really nice sweetening flavor, and it also helps thicken it up. And we're gonna just stir it. Do not saute at this point. You don't need to. As it cools down a little bit, it's going to thicken up. If you try to saute at this point, you're gonna scorch the bottom of your pot and it might get a little bit too thick. So just go ahead and trust the process, and it's going to thicken up over time. And there is a close-up shot just for you. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and prepare to serve this rice pudding. Like I said, I've been soaking these raisins in bourbon, so you don't wanna give this to the kids. And if you want, you could also just use hot water if you don't wanna soak the raisins, or you just don't add them at all. And now I'm gonna serve them in these really cute cups of glasses that we have, and we're just going to put rice pudding into each one. See how creamy that rice pudding is? And literally, it was pretty much hands off. Just had to put it in there, pressure cook it, walk away. All right, and there you have it, delicious rice pudding, all made in your pressure cooker. It's a really hands-off experience, and I swear you could just go around doing other things in your kitchen. You can read a book, you can watch some TV. I love it. All right, until the next time, bye.